Hello everybody and welcome back. This is the fifth video for today. I believe the reason I'm filming a video after video is just because my schedule changed and I'm working two shifts right now, so my time is a little bit tight. That's why I'm filming. I don't know when I'm gonna post them. Hopefully still today. We'll see. And in this video I have the Glossybox for February, and the box looks like this. It's really cute. I love this one box. And here is the bag, really cute. And let's go ahead and see what we have for this month. Looks like this as usual, and inside of this we get this card that you can send to somebody. Really cute. And here is the booklet with the information regarding the product. The paper, the tissue paper for this month looks like this, with this print, which is very cute. I think this is the first box for this month which has the Valentine's theme. And let's go ahead and see what's in this. Here is the box, and the first item in here, it's PORE ROSEHIP Mud Sheet Mask. This is from Kaolion Lab, if I'm saying right. I'm not gonna read the card. The next item in here is by DOUCCE, if I'm saying right, and this one is a lip crayon. Looks like this. And let's see how this one looks. Here is the color. Then the next thing in here is this guy, which looks like this, a little bit bumped, but it's okay. This one is a lip scrub. It's from Royal Apothecary, if I'm reading right. I can even see what's here because it's whatever it is, but looks like this. It's a lip scrub. Then the next item in here we get a tweezer, and this one is from Diamond Precision Beauty Tools. And let me show you how this one looks. Looks like this inside, and here is the tweezer. It's a gold, rose gold color. And then what else we have here? We have this duo, which I believe it's a shampoo. No, I'm wrong. It's by John Masters Organics. This is the Geranium and Grapefruit body wash, and this one is still from the same brand, John Masters Organics. Is the Geranium and Grapefruit body milk. So far we have a body wash and a body milk. Not bad. First I thought it's gonna be a shampoo and a conditioner, but no, actually it's a body wash and a body cream, which is not bad because usually we get too many samples, in my opinion, of shampoos and conditioner. I like those two better than the shampoo samples. So yeah, that's all what I got in my box. About this one, it says the full size of this, it's $6.50, or I'm wrong, I don't know exactly. And also on the card they give you coupon codes if you wanna buy those items. For this one we have a coupon code, not for all of them. The lip scrub, it's $14. This one, it's Scrubby Exfoliating Lip Treatment from Royal Apothic or something like that. The douche, whatever how you say it, it's Lip Definer Pencil, and this one is $20. The tweezer, It's pink metallic tweezer, and this one is $20 also. And the face mask, it's $5. So this is all in the February box. If you got something different, let me know, or if you have a video, leave me the link down below and I'll love to watch that. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with another unboxing. I hope you'll have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye bye. And also don't forget, it's a giveaway open. If you wanna enter that, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.